What is going on today, guys? So it's a whole new day working on the Evo. It's Friday. Good Friday, actually. My bro Nate just came over here. Hey, bro. What? No, bro, you don't gotta be showing that. What the? But yeah, so today we're gonna be working on this, on the exhaust manifold on the Evo X. Check out that downpipe.
No. What's the name of your downpipe again?
So that's an AMS downpipe. The Tome one, because that was a two-piece, titanium too, to go along with my Tome. But I just decided, well, not decided. I seen this one on the market for a good price. I'm like, hey, I can't pass up on it. All right, so some straightforward steps that you need to do before you access the exhaust manifold. Remove your charge pipe, the what is this? The crossbar? I always keep forgetting the strut bar. Actually, okay.
Hey, watch this. You see this tight spot? All the way down there? Whoop.
No fucking way, bro.
Yes.
Show me the tool.
So this is a gear wrench, 1/4 inch set from Home Depot. It is pricey. It's probably like one of the most expensive tools I ever bought. But this, like what you just see, the work speaks for itself.
Sheesh.
Before y'all do this job, go ahead, do yourself a favor, get this wrench.
That shit has like multiple, like 100 teeth, I think.
Probably.
Yeah, so that's gonna save your ass in the tight spot like this. Damn, bro, how many bolts left?
One more.
What the fuck?
One more. And this is the last one right here.
God damn, how many bolts are you averaging per minute?
One bolt every 5 minutes? Or
What the fuck?
less?
Bro just has me holding the light for him.
It's a two-person job for a reason.
Yeah, right? Yeah. We both get paid the same. All right, guys. So we had to do a run to Home Depot because these bolts right here were on their last leg. Oh, no, not this one. This one wasn't on here, but I think, yeah, I don't know. It's best to buy new hardware. What we did right here is made the hole more bigger.
Brackets loosened up on the turbo. You're just gonna push it this way. I'm gonna slip this in. Same way we took it out. So go ahead. Yeah. Am I ready? Sounds like I'm ready.
I think you gotta move that light.
Yeah, I know. Huh? Yeah. There you go. All my studs are in. It's just this. Towards the back of the car. There you go. Okay. Okay. Wow. Woo!
All right, so good news right here. We already have the front bolt right here. The two bolts in the back. Well, they're actually studs. Those are good. So now we just have to do this side. Yeah, I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Damn, it's fucking late. That'd be fine.
In life,
It's called crowfoot.
crowfoot. This is the first time I ever used it, but I've had the tool for like a year now. But oh, not a year.
A crowfoot.
Crowfoot. Crap to get this bolt right here, right there. Split crap right there.
Yeah, the front one on the driver's side right here. That's that's the last one. So now we have everything back together. You can see that bolt right there that we needed. This one, I mean, it's all good. You know, with 3. Now we're gonna start it up. Like almost 11. Hope the neighbors don't trip. Oh, that is way better, bro. No fucking way. Oh, what the fuck? No fucking way. Ain't no fucking. How an Evo is supposed to sound like this. Oh man, I was sounding like a tractor the whole time. There you have it, folks. I mean, big shout out to my bro right here.
Hey, Mr. Gear Wrench.
Gear Wrench.
Gear wrench.
Hit him up at what's your IG? Gear Wrench.
Gearwrench.com.
But now we got to do the axles because they're leaking. That's gonna be for the next video. Axles. I gotta order that. Brake pads. Oil change. You know.